Hi, I'm Nancy. I made this video to help people who are looking for more information about Ignite. Before starting, I would like to warn you that Ignite is only sold on the manufacturer's official website. To facilitate your search, the link to the official website is in the description of the video. Ignite is an Amazonian sunrise formula that has been developed to help people get rid of stubborn fat in troubled areas by activating the BAM15 levels. The supplement is formulated using a blend of 12 high-quality ingredients that are carefully chosen from the Amazon rainforests. According to the manufacturer, this morning ritual will work for people of all ages and body types. Each bottle of Ignite consists of 60 milliliters of the supplement, which is enough for a month's intake. This Amazonian formula is manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified lab facility right here in the United States using the latest technology and equipment. The drops are unfertilized, 100% organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, additive-free, and non-habit-forming. It's really amazing. The Ignite Amazonian Sunrise formula works by targeting the dormant BAM15 levels in the body. The supplement enhances the production of BAM15, thereby stimulating fat breakdown in the body. So, Ignite helps in weight loss, enhances metabolism, and increases energy levels. Ignite is a 100% natural weight loss supplement containing 12 high-quality ingredients that are scientifically proven to be safe and effective. Also, the supplement is manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified lab facility and is proven to be free from GMOs, gluten, and additives. The satisfied customers also haven't experienced any side effects, indicating that Ignite is free of undesirable effects. It is recommended to take 10 drops of Ignite under the tongue every morning before breakfast to get maximum results. Make sure to take the formula before breakfast so that it gets easily absorbed into the body. More than 1 million men and women are satisfied using the Ignite weight loss supplement. These real customer responses are available on the official website. Currently, Ignite is available for purchase only from its official website. The manufacturer guarantees that no other websites like Amazon or even retail stores are allowed to sell this weight loss formula. To facilitate your search, the link to the official website is in the video description. I hope I have helped you in some way with my video. Have a nice week. Bye.